Alright YouTube, we're doing the second flight on the FMS PITTS 1.4 meter. Hopefully this turns out good.
1 minute. Trim center.
Alright, we'll see if that does
Quietly
anything.
step back from the pilot
Does any
and live
better.
to see another day.
Let's go.
Seconds. 20 seconds.
Alright, we got her up a little bit. We're going to try to come out of safe and see what she feels like.
Shit is about to get real. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Timer
That
1
was just the remaining time of... Let's check the inverted. Oh, she flies real good out of safe. Way better out of safe. I'm not having to use very much elevator. The bee chasing me out here. It's only about 45-50% throttle. Yeah, she flies real nice. Wind's picking up a little bit. See, when I checked the battery after I landed last time, we had 89%. So right now we are 2.5 minutes past when the timer ran out, 5 minutes. This thing flies great, dude. And thanks to you guys that have been donating to help support the channel. Man, I sure appreciate you guys because you made this possible. Gonna go ahead and come in and land. Yeah, I don't like it. We're gonna go back around. 0 throttle. Try to get a better approach. Yeah, buddy, yeah. Nice landing. Thing flies really good out of safe. Really nice, really nice. So all of my repairs held up. That's 2 flights now. Landing gear held up, 2 landings. Outstanding, outstanding.
That didn't suck at all.
That didn't suck at all. All right, you guys, I'm so excited. Thing flies great, man. Flies really great. Yep, so that's the FMS PITTS 1400 millimeter 6S 5200. Oh yeah, she's beautiful. But anyway, taking my excitement away from the plane for a minute. Well, please like, subscribe, share, leave me some comments. Oh man, this thing flew so good. And hit that bell for all so you know when I'm posting new videos. And Pilot Will, Will.RC, signing out.